This is the main panel of our CF 380 machine. This is the compact finishing machine for the finishing of digital labels, digital printed labels. This machine has the unwinder, the Corona system, web guide, the flexi printing unit with lamination and cold foil system, semi-rotary and rotary die cutting unit, matrix rewinder, the nib roller, slitting unit and double rewinder. This is the main panel which appears of our application, of our control panel, which our main screen, which appeared just after the machine starts. So that's the main menu. On the main menu we have all the features which the machine has, starting from the info. Here we have the machine number, year of production, working time, power on time, and so on and so. This is the just the information. The main settings, where we can adjust some basic information like operator, order of job, the product code, the language of the panel, and the jog speed, also the die cut gap compensation. This is the counter screen. There we can count meters or labels. Also, we can also adjust the rewinder, adjust the outside or inside rewinding. This is the machine with dual rewinder, so with the semi-turret rewinder it looks a little bit different, but the main idea is the same. Number of alarms. When there are something wrong has happened, the machine inform us with the light and the sound. Then we can adjust the main features of the unwinder, the actual diameter of the roll, the minimum diameter of the roll, a to 53%, to co to jest? Tension. And the tension.
Tension of the spindle.
On a die cutting unit we can input just some basic information. With markers we can adjust, we can switch on and off the register mode. Co tam jeszcze jest, pokaż, bo już nie bardzo łapię.
Teaching, marker sensor, change position of the sensor. Coś było?
This is the web path of the machine. All main features we are trying to be controlled from the main panel, but there is also a backup. We can also adjust some features on the control panel of the printing unit, the control panel of the web guide, or the control panel of the Corona system. With the semi-turret rewinder we can also adjust the shafts, which is master, which is slave, and so on. I will do the short movie with the semi-turret when one of these which are in production will be ready, and we will be testing them.
Print station, register, UV lamp. dynamic sensor, lamination, tension, inside, outside, diameter,
this is the feature which can allow us to preset to remember some files in the memory of the computer. Then these jobs are always at the memory, and if they are repeatable, we can just put them out from the memory, and the machine will be set up for this particular job. We can integrate this machine with the MIS software. Then we can export some data into the company computer system, information system. We can also import some jobs from the systems, and they will appear on our control panel.
all parameters. This
We can see it over there.
knives,
This machine was designed and manufactured for Label Expo 2023. I have information from my colleagues that right now we have a little bit different layout of the panel. I will make a video in next few days when the new model, the new version will be installed on one of the machines which we have already right now in the assembly. Thank you.